Hi there, and welcome to Tech with Shaping Pixel. In this video, we are diving into Part 11 of the Google Associate Data Practitioner Full Crash Course, where we will explore Introduction to Google Cloud PubSub. Google Cloud PubSub is a scalable message queuing service designed for communication between different applications or services. Unlike email or chat, it is built to track changes and share updates across various systems, making it ideal for modern cloud architectures. Instead of sending messages directly from one application to another, PubSub stores updates posted by applications. Later, other applications can retrieve these updates whenever they need. Think of it less like sending an email and more like posting on a blog or forum, where messages are published and anyone interested can read them later. Cloud PubSub supports multiple communication patterns. It can handle one-to-many, many-to-one, many-to-many, or even one-to-one messaging. This flexibility means senders do not need to track recipients, and recipients only receive messages they care about. Cloud PubSub is highly scalable, capable of handling massive amounts of data. Google uses it in products like Ads, Search, and Gmail to send over 5 million messages per second, totaling more than 1 terabyte of data. In short, Google Cloud PubSub enables scalable, reliable, asynchronous messaging between applications, making it essential for communicating change events in cloud-based systems. Cloud PubSub is a messaging service that connects applications using the publisher and subscriber model. It lets you send, receive, and process messages between independent systems, making communication flexible and scalable. A message is simply data exchanged between services. It can be a simple text, a number, or a complex object like JSON. Messages are grouped into topics, which act as queues for related messages. Each topic represents a specific category, such as new user registrations. A publisher is any service that adds messages to a topic. Multiple publishers can send messages to the same topic. Subscribers are services that want to receive messages from topics. Each subscriber needs a subscription to a topic to start receiving messages. Subscriptions link subscribers to topics. Each subscription delivers one copy of a message to one subscriber. If you want every subscriber to get every message, each must have its own subscription. Messages published before a subscription is created are not delivered to that subscription. Subscribers can pull messages manually or have messages pushed automatically to an endpoint. Pull subscriptions offer control, while push subscriptions deliver messages instantly as they arrive. Subscribers must acknowledge each message. Unacknowledged messages are resent, ensuring reliable delivery even if a subscriber temporarily fails. This makes Cloud PubSub resilient and dependable. Cloud PubSub offers two main services, PubSub and PubSub Lite. Both are message queuing solutions, but they serve different needs and budgets. Let us break down what sets them apart so you can make an informed choice. PubSub is the more robust option, providing high reliability, per-message parallelism, global routing, and automatic capacity scaling. It replicates messages across multiple zones and features unlimited storage, though messages are retained for up to 7 days. With PubSub, you only pay for what you use. On the other hand, PubSub Lite is designed for affordability. It is limited to a single zone, requires manual capacity management, and offers a little over 10 terabytes of storage per topic. While it allows for unlimited message retention, you pay for what you provision, which means unused capacity can lead to unnecessary costs. PubSub Lite also has lower availability and durability. For most users, PubSub should be the default choice due to its reliability and flexibility. However, if cost is your primary concern and your workload can tolerate lower availability, PubSub Lite may be a better fit. Always consider your specific requirements before deciding. Cloud PubSub is a powerful tool with a wide range of applications. Today, let's explore some of the most common use cases that highlight its versatility in modern cloud environments. One major use for Cloud PubSub is real-time event processing. It enables organizations to create an enterprise-wide data sharing bus, allowing business events, user interactions, and even system failures to be tracked and responded to as they happen. This real-time capability is essential for businesses that need immediate insights and actions. Google Cloud PubSub is a scalable message queuing service designed for reliable, asynchronous messaging between different applications and services. It is highly flexible, supporting one-to-many, many-to-one, and many-to-many communication patterns, making it a powerful tool for connecting distributed systems. PubSub operates using messages, topics, publishers, and subscribers. Messages contain the data to be sent, often about a change event. Topics act as categories for these messages, storing them and controlling what types are received. Publishers are applications that add messages to a topic, while subscribers are applications that read messages from a topic. Each subscriber needs a subscription per topic, and subscriptions can be shared or individual. Shared subscriptions send each message to one subscriber at random. Subscriptions can be pull, where subscribers manually check for new messages, or push, where the topic notifies subscribers automatically. There are two services, PubSub and PubSub Lite. PubSub offers higher reliability, more integrations, and automatic provisioning, but at a higher cost. PubSub Lite is less expensive but requires more operational work and offers lower availability. For most scenarios, PubSub is recommended. That wraps up our overview of Google Cloud PubSub. If you have questions or feedback, let us know, and be sure to explore more of our courses. Cloud PubSub lets you subscribe to topics and receive messages, but sometimes you only want a specific subset. That is where custom subscription filters come in, helping you focus on just the messages you care about. Imagine you have a topic called New User Accounts that notifies you about all registrations. If you only want to process premium user signups, filtering is much more efficient than handling every single message and discarding most. Filters use message attributes, which are key value pairs containing metadata. You cannot filter based on the message content itself, only on these attributes. For example, you might add an attribute called type, with values like free or premium. To filter for premium users, you would create a subscription with the filter expression such as attributes.type equals premium. Filters are set at the subscription level, so each subscription can have its own unique filter without affecting the topic or other subscriptions. For instance, if you want only English messages, set an attribute language to EN-US and filter with attributes.language equals EN-US. Only messages matching this filter will be delivered to your subscription. Cloud PubSub can process millions of messages every second, but sometimes messages arrive out of order. For many use cases, this is fine. However, when order matters, enforcing message ordering becomes critical. To guarantee message ordering, you need two things: add an ordering key to your messages, and enable message ordering in your subscription. Both steps are required. Ordering keys do not represent sequence numbers. Instead, they group related messages so that only those with the same key are delivered in order. Imagine sending 4 messages. 1 and 2 with the ordering key alpha, and 3 and 4 with beta. You are guaranteed to receive 1 before 2 and 3 before 4, but not necessarily 2 before 3. If all messages share the same key, their order is preserved. Enabling message ordering can increase latency and may result in duplicate messages. When a message with an ordering key is redelivered, all subsequent messages with that key are also redelivered. Only enforce ordering when absolutely necessary. Create a topic, then a subscription with message ordering enabled. Send messages with ordering keys to guarantee their order. Acknowledge each message to receive the next in sequence. When using Cloud Pub Sub, sometimes messages cannot be delivered to a subscriber, even after multiple attempts. To prevent losing these undeliverable messages, you can set up a dead letter topic. First, create your main topic to hold original messages. For example, name it Topic 3. Next, create a dead letter topic, just like any other topic, but with a name that makes its purpose clear, such as Topic 3-Lost. Now, create a subscription for your main topic. For instance, call it Subscription 3 and make sure it subscribes to Topic 3, not the dead letter topic. Scroll down in the subscription settings and enable dead lettering. Select your dead letter topic, like Topic 3-Lost, and set the maximum number of delivery attempts, such as 10. After this number, undeliverable messages will be moved. Grant the necessary permissions, allowing publishing to the dead letter topic and reading from the main topic. This ensures messages can be transferred properly. Finally, create a subscription for your dead letter topic. For example, Subscription 3-Lost, so no messages are lost. That's how you set up a dead letter topic. In Cloud Pub Sub, you can format your message data however you like, as long as it can be encoded into a string. But this flexibility can cause issues if subscribers expect a specific format, like a JSON object, and receive something else instead. A message schema solves this by creating an enforced contract between publishers and subscribers. Everyone knows exactly what format the message data must follow. For example, if your schema defines a JSON object, you cannot publish just a plain string. To use a schema, you must create it first, then create a topic that uses it. You cannot add a schema to an existing topic, so plan ahead. Schemas can be defined using Apache Avro, which uses JSON, or Protocol Buffer, Google's method for serializing structured data. Once your schema is ready, create a topic and select Use a Schema. Pick your schema and set the format to JSON. Now, any message published to this topic must match the schema. If it does not, publishing will fail with an error. This approach ensures all subscribers receive messages in the expected format, making it easier for teams to collaborate and share topics. By reusing schemas across topics, you can even enforce company-wide standards for message formats. Cloud Pub Sub is designed to deliver each message once, but sometimes duplicates slip through. Handling these duplicate messages is important to keep your systems running smoothly and your data accurate. To reduce duplicate messages, start by extending the message deadline. Duplicates often happen when a subscriber takes too long to acknowledge a message. Giving subscribers more time can help. If your subscribers are overwhelmed, consider adding more or upgrading their capacity. Also, enforcing message ordering can increase duplicates. If strict ordering is not necessary, try disabling it to see if duplication decreases. While these steps can lower the number of duplicates, they will not eliminate them completely. Filtering out duplicates on the subscriber side is usually straightforward. Add logic to check if a message has already been processed. For example, if you are encoding videos, check if the video is already encoded before starting. Every message in a topic has a unique message ID. Store these IDs in a database or cache to track processed messages and compare suspected duplicates.
If you cannot tolerate any duplicates, use the Apache Beam programming model. Apache Beam with Cloud Data Flow and the Beam PubSub I/O connector can filter out all duplicates for you. Cloud PubSub guarantees at least once delivery. For exactly once delivery, you'll need extra logic or tools.
Normally, once you acknowledge a message in your subscription, it is gone for good. But what if a bug causes you to acknowledge messages by mistake? Fortunately, message recovery is possible using the Seek feature, which lets you replay or purge messages as needed. The first method is called Seek to Timestamp. Here, you pick a specific time, and all messages sent before that time are marked as acknowledged, while those sent after are unacknowledged. This is a quick way to recover messages lost in a recent incident, or to prevent bad messages from being delivered. However, you must enable the Retain Acknowledged Messages option for your subscription, which can increase costs. Also, you cannot recover messages older than the retention period, usually 7 days, and the operation affects all messages in bulk. The second method is Seek to Snapshot. Snapshots capture the acknowledgement state of messages at a specific time, without storing the actual message data. You can restore this state later, as long as the messages still exist. Snapshots do not require retaining acknowledged messages, making them a more cost-effective option. Both Seek methods offer powerful tools for message recovery and debugging. Choose Seek to Timestamp for quick, broad changes, or Seek to Snapshot for more control and lower costs. Monitoring Cloud PubSub becomes essential as your system grows more complex with multiple topics and subscriptions. Identifying and diagnosing issues early helps keep your messaging infrastructure reliable and efficient. Cloud PubSub automatically exports its metrics to cloud monitoring, giving you ready-to-use default dashboards. These dashboards display general information about your topics, such as operations and average message size. You can also drill down for details on specific topics and their associated subscriptions. Beyond the defaults, you can create custom dashboards to track specific metrics that matter to your workflow. More importantly, setting up alerts ensures you are notified if something goes wrong. For example, you can create an alert for unacknowledged messages by setting a threshold, like 500, and choosing how you want to be notified, such as by email. Monitor metrics like oldest snapshot message age, unacknowledged messages, and acknowledged message operations. Filtering by response codes helps identify issues with pull or push subscriptions. For topics, track publish operations and group by response code to ensure PubSub is healthy and messages are flowing. Check your PubSub quotas under IAM and admin to avoid hitting API limits. Filter by Cloud PubSub and region to see your usage and set custom alerts if needed. Proper monitoring lets you detect and resolve issues before they impact your users, making it a crucial part of any production Cloud PubSub setup. Thank you, and see you in the next part. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out our website for the latest real exam question and answers PDFs. Happy learning!